not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell button. So coming back to today's video topic, today we will talk about how to grow beautiful coleus and how to maintain it throughout the year. So without further ado, let's begin with the video.
So coleus is such a plant which is grown for its colorful foliage. There are more than 60 species of coleus. In our climate, coleus are very hard to grow in summertime in this extreme heat. So in this video at the end, I will surely give you some information which will be very helpful for you all to maintain your coleus plants throughout the hot summers. So surely watch till the end of the video. So let's try to understand your plant more professionally. Is your plant color fading out? It's probably because the plant is kept in too much sunlight. Has your plant started to lose leaves? It is probably because the plant is kept at too dark or cold region. Is the corner of the leaves turning brown? It's maybe because of the long dry spell. Is the leaf turning whitish in color? It's maybe because of overuse of fertilizer. Talking about propagation, coleus is one of the most easiest plants to propagate. There are two different ways to propagate coleus. You can follow either one of it. One of the method is direct planting and another one method is water propagation. Propagation in water of coleus is more convenient as you can examine the root growth. These are some of the varieties I own. Next comes how we can propagate coleus in water. It is very simple. Just take some water in any glass container available at your home and just dip the coleus stems into it. Don't forget to change the water once in a while. This will prevent the stem from rotting. Keep it aside for 7 to 10 days and each and every stem will get roots. So here is my result after 10 days. As you can see, every stem has lots of roots. This is the only one reason why I love propagation in water. We can just check out the root growth whenever we want. Next comes soil mix for coleus. This soil should have 6 to 7, that is neutral pH, and the soil should be well drained soil. Here I have 40% garden soil along with 10% concentrated manures. Concentrated manures such as horn and hoof meal or neem cake can be used. Next comes 20% organic manure and 20% coco peat. Cocopeat makes the soil porous, but on the other hand, holds the right amount of water the plant needs. Mix all the ingredients together and it's good to go. Other requirements are sun exposure, morning sun, afternoon shade, temperature 20 degrees centigrade to 38 degrees centigrade, and humidity moderate to high, works best for coleus. Next comes fertilizer requirements. Coleus usually does not need fertilizer that much, as fertilizer will hamper the soil natural pH. It's rather harmful for coleus as coleus likes neutral soil pH. Next comes tips to maintain it throughout the summer. My first tip will be keep the plant in a shade. Keeping the coleus plants indoors during summer is also a possible way. Yes, coleus can be grown indoors too, if enough moisture, heat and humidity is provided to the plant. Next tip is to avoid dry spell. If required, water it twice a day. Do not let the soil completely dry out. Wilting can be severely harmful for coleus plants. Next comes use of soil mulch. Soil mulching can be done to prevent the water loss and to reduce the soil temperature. Avoid prolonged wet foliage. Prolonged wet foliage will lead to fungal diseases, and the plant can also start to lose its leaves. The one I am planting now is a direct cutting. How to make the plant bushy? Snip off the unremarkable flowers to encourage vitality and pinch off the growing tips to encourage bushiness. These are few of the pictures of my coleus plants from last year. That's all for today. Hope the video is useful for you all. Thanks for watching and please do like, share, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.